Hello, everybody. So this is week 10, Monday, November 4th through Monday, November 11th. Let's do a quick recap of what we've had going on this past week. So for Friday, November 1st, you had some article readings and annotations or notes to submit for Module 7. You also needed to reply to two classmates in the abortion discussion. And then there was an optional outline for your claim of value essay. Now, for Monday, November 4th, you had more article reading and annotations or notes due for the Module 8, revising a research paper articles. Your rough draft for the claim of value is due tonight, and I was holding office hours until just a few minutes ago. So unfortunately, nobody dropped in from this class, but I will be having office hours again the first week of December, which will be our last week of class. And of course, if you need anything, if you have questions or concerns, you can always feel free to send me a message or email. And I'm also open to meeting with you on Zoom if you need that support as well. Okay, so week 10. All right, so this week is a slightly lighter load because you are mainly focused on your essay. So by Friday, November 8th, there are some annotations or notes due for this counter argument page. So please read this information and the infographics. There's a slideshow for you to watch. Please take notes on that as well as part one above. And then there are a few articles for you to read and take notes on or annotate. And you need to submit your annotations or notes for all three parts of this assignment. Now, I hope that this will help you as you are writing and revising your claim of value. You should be focused more in this essay on counter arguments. So explicitly refuting the central point of a counter argument, finding the mistake of someone else's argument and explain why it's mistaken using evidence. And then contradicting and backing up with reasoning or supporting evidence. So you won't really want to focus on these top three elements of a counter argument. The bottom four, contradiction, responding to tone, ad hominem, and name calling, these are not very strong when it comes to counter arguments. You really want to try and focus on these top three, refuting a central point, which is the most specific and effective, refutation, and a basic counter argument. And then there will be some more information here about kind of what that looks like in your writing. So that should be done first. You also are going to need to seek tutoring this week, whether that is in person, online, live with a tutor, or dropping off your essay for a tutor to look over and then, send you back feedback, usually within 24 hours. So this is the best option for someone who is short on time. I know many of you used this option for the last essay. So if you liked this format and you found it helpful, I'd encourage you to do it again. Even if you didn't find it super helpful, sometimes, it depends on the tutor that you get. I would still encourage you to try it out again. And you also have the option of doing more than one tutoring session. So for example, maybe you prefer an in-person tutoring, you could do that, and you could also submit your paper online. And you can get extra credit for attending additional tutoring sessions. So if you click up here, this is the extra credit tutoring assignment. It's the exact same layout as the required tutoring assignment. But for example, if you did two tutoring sessions for this essay, you can get extra credit points for one of those. All right, so tutoring, you should work on that this week. So your rough draft is due today, Monday, and then you can basically submit that same rough draft for tutoring. And then your proof of tutoring and your reflection paragraph is due by Friday. And then finally, you'll take that feedback and make your essay better, work on it a little bit more, edit, proofread, add to it, all of those good things. And then your final draft is due Monday, the 11th. So remember, this is the claim of value essay that we are working on right now. The claim of policy essay will be next. So this essay, while you can discuss action or policy that you think need to be implemented or changed in your conclusion, that should not be the focus of this essay. This essay is focused on proving the morality or immorality or unjustness or unethical practices, right? It's really focused on establishing that claim of value, as well as the corresponding claim of fact. All right, so that is it for week 10. Pretty much everything is just focused around your claim of value essay this week. And feel free to let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.